How to use Pingo AI language learning app. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up Google Play Store or the App Store if you are on iPhone, and then in the search bar, search for Pingo. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And just like that, you need to go ahead and simply download the application in your mobile device. Once you have downloaded it, you can simply head back to your home screen and then open it up. Now, once the app launches, wait for it to finish loading, and if you already have an account, you can simply tap on already have an account and then sign in. If you are new to Pingo AI, tap on create account and register using your email address or any available sign in button. After creating your account, follow the on-screen instruction and just like that, choose the language you like to learn and complete the initial step. From there, you can simply tap on start and just like that, start your first lesson, track your progress, and explore the app's AI-powered language learning feature. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.